Don't do yes or no values like this in Google Sheets. It doesn't look good and it doesn't give you true Boolean values like true or false. Instead, you should use checkboxes. So just highlight your area, insert, and checkbox. And this does two things. It looks better and it gives you true Boolean values that you can use in formulas later. So if I wanted to have a formula for the percent attended, you could do that easily by using the Boolean values in a COUNTIF function. So COUNTIF, and then select your row, and then count if it's true. So if it's checked, it's going to count it. Then if we want to get the total percent attended, so total percent checked, we would divide by the total amount of columns we have here. So that would be 5. That would give us 0.8 or 80%, because the 4 out of 5 checkboxes are checked. So then we're going to turn that into a percent. So let me just format this. So just go to format, number, and we're going to select the percent without the decimal. And then we're just going to double click to get the rest of them. And now whenever you check a box, it should automatically update the percentage.